Christmas is right around the corner, so here are some great last-minute DIY gift ideas. The first idea is lip balm. If you have a very limited ingredients pantry, but you happen to have coconut oil and beeswax, you can make my sticky coconut lip balm, which is extra awesome for really sticking around on the lips and keeping them moisturized when it's dry and cold. If you've got some cocoa butter and a liquid oil to add to the beeswax and coconut oil, you can make my naked lip balm, and then if you have some peppermint essential oil, you can make my peppermint cocoa lip balm. I've been gifting these lip balms for years and they're always a huge hit with my friends and family. If you're more of a lip gloss person, I've also got some formulations for some lovely lip glosses. If you happen to have the Versagel base sold by TKB Trading in the States, and then Voyageur sells it in Canada, and so does Windy Point, that's a very easy thing to customize with some added oils and colors and flavor oils or essential oils. And I also shared a formulation earlier this year that uses castor oil and polyamide 3 to create your very own lip gloss base that again is very easy to customize, so you can make a big batch of the base and then divide it up and make different colors for all the people that are on your list. Body butter bars are also a great last minute gift. I recommend my white chocolate peppermint body butter bars, my sugar plum body butter bars, and my cocoa coconut body butter bars. All of those formulations and everything else I'm talking about in this video is linked in the description box below. Solid cleansers like shampoo bars and body wash bars can also be a great last minute gift if you already have the ingredients on hand. Solid cleansers do need a few days to dry after they've been shaped to get nice and hard, so depending on how down to the wire you are, this might not be a great option, or you might just kind of want to tell your recipients to give it a week before they start using it. 3 easy formulations that you can hand mold, just make it into a Play-Doh and then just shape, are my French green clay shampoo bar, my white chocolate peppermint shampoo bar, and my ice palace shampoo bar. And then lastly, body, hair, and facial oils are really easy to make. For a hair oil, I recommend my dry argan oil hair mist or my featherweight hair oil. And for body oils, I've got a dry passion fruit body oil and a gorgeous cranberry orange body oil. I also have lots of different facial oil formulations, including a stone fruit themed one I shared earlier this year. So I'll link to all those in the description box below too. If you're looking for even more last minute, easy, giftable ideas, check out the video I shared recently on single ingredient gifts. Bye!